Hello and welcome everyone to a bit of a different video of mine. One with voiceover. Hi! Today we're going to be coloring my hair, finally. So thank you to everyone who subscribed to me during the month of November over on my Twitch. You decided that I was supposed to color my hair purple, so we're going to do that today. I'm going to show you all the things I'm going to be using. So we have some hair brushes. Here's a color brush. Gloves, of course. You don't want to stain your hair. Hands. You do want to stain your hair, actually. Hey, you can see yourself in the mirror. You're looking fantastic today, by the way. Really, really pretty. These are the different kinds of hair colors I'm going for. Spoiler alert, I only ended up using 2, and those 2 are plum and violet. I also had this one passed down to me by a friend who doesn't color her hair anymore. Didn't end up using it, by the way. A bowl for mixing. Okay, don't drop it. Jesus. And a towel. I'm already wearing a shirt that can get color all over it, but you know what? I also still want to use a towel just to maybe save my neck a little bit. All right, this is how you put a towel on, all right? You tie it on with a hair tie. Pro move. And having a sip of my coffee, of course. All right, now I'm actually going to speed things up a little bit. I have to part all that hair. I actually have a lot of hair. I have had cases where I went to the hairstylist and I asked for like a little trim, and you know, they said it would only take like half an hour, and I said, trust me, please write me down for an hour because you're gonna need it. And yeah, they did need that. So yeah, spoiler alert, I have a lot of hair. I sometimes wish I had less because it's so heavy. But then again, I see my grandpas and my grandmas just having a good time with all their hair. And I'm like, you know what? It might not be the worst thing after all, you know? I'm probably going to be happy when I'm 80, and I don't know. I probably won't care about my hair anymore when I'm 80. I don't know. Maybe I will. Who knows? All right. Here we go. Actually, starting with the coloring. The gloves are way too big for my hands. These were the only ones that they had in the shop by the time I bought it, and I'm not gonna throw anything away, so I'm gonna use those up. But yeah, they're way too big. So I hate using them because they're way too big. So this is the sketch color. I sniff it because, listen, it turns out I think my friend stretched the color with conditioner, which will actually make it stick less to the hair. So that's why I didn't end up using it. But, you know, if you just want like a little bit of color, yeah, I guess you can do that. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, the first one is always the hardest. You never know when to start and how to start. And then you're like, oh my God, I'm going to have to do that for the next like 2 hours. All right. Well, here we go. Can't wait to be doing this for the next 2 hours. By the way, if I look down into my left direction, like right now I'm looking into the mirror. If I look into the other direction, that means I'm watching the Valorant Berlin tournament that they had, the world finals, or like the world tournament. Okay, I like my esports, all right? What can I say? But for now, I'm paying close attention to my hair. You can see my gaze shift over every once in a while. All right, let's see how I go. Oh, must have been an important play happening. I literally, yeah, I think Leaf had just aced with an op or something. It was crazy, guys. You should watch it. Valorant is really fun. All right, there you go. I'm gonna leave you guys to watch what I'm doing and jump back in a little bit. Getting all the hair to the front, especially in the back, is a bit challenging. Not gonna lie, I usually have my fiance look over the hair at the very end to see if there's any like spots that I missed, especially to the back. But he wasn't home, so I just kind of had to eyeball it. Oh, yeah, I totally got some of the color on my face. That must have been another really important game moment, guys. Listen, I watched this afterwards, and I had to really laugh at myself and the way that I reacted to some of these things. Okay, I must have been really into that game. All right, moving on to the next section of the hair. So I'm trying to part a bit more off my head here. Just going in small sections, you know, because you don't want to miss any spots. And with the blue, it's probably gonna look like gray hairs poking through. When it works at all. So I'm still hoping at this point that it works, that the purple is gonna sufficiently cover a blue hair. Because listen, all right, these directions are semi-permanent hair color. I think what they should change it to is semi-permanent unless you buy blue hair color, because blue is gonna be there until the rest of your hair days, like until you cut it off. I colored my hair blue, like blue greenish, like it is faded to now in April. Yeah, mid-April, somewhere around there I colored my hair. And I actually started with blue last, December? So about a year ago, you can see the grow out. About a year ago, I bleached my entire head and then colored it blue. And that's the grow out there. And I only like kind of like retouched it with more blue greenish colors in April, May. And so it's now December and it's still there. So just so you know, right? If you're coloring your hair blue, it's a commitment. You have to be ready to make that commitment, okay? Just so you know. All right. Okay. Ah, my towel fell. I see. My ingenious way of fastening it did not work. Why did I not cut that out? Oh my gosh. All right. Coffee is important, okay? If you want to fuel your hair endeavors, that is very important. I'm also totally realizing how much I touch my hair with my ungloved hand. And I can promise you now, it is very purple. But, you know, we're in home office, so nobody's gonna see it anyway. So it's probably fine, right? It's probably fine. Like, who's gonna see your hands? It's winter anyway. Oh, wait, hold on. It's winter anyway. You can just wear gloves. There you go. Forgot how to talk for a second. Right. And here we go, moving on to the next section. You can also see how well I can multitask here, which is not at all. I literally just stop what I'm doing when I have to watch an important moment. I will just stop. I can't keep going. I will stop. Who else does this, okay? Let me know in the comments. I need to know I'm not the only one who's incredibly bad at multitasking. Or like, I think I'm good at it, but then watching this leads me to believe I'm actually really, really bad at it. Okay, what I'm doing with my fingers is I'm kind of like separating all the hair strands to make sure, because I have very thick hair and a lot of it, that I actually get every part of the hair strands. And we're off to the almost final section, the one right before the final section, the penultimate. Would that be the name for it? I'm still learning English, okay? I will never probably stop learning it. It's a process. All right. Yeah, this is I think this was about like 1 hour in, 1.5 hours in at least. I kind of lost track of time. I could tell you how many matches I watched. It were a few, you know, there were a few matches. But making good time here. Kind of speeding it up a little bit more. I'm also going alternatively with the different colors in, just because I know I'm not gonna get it like one color. So I want to just give it a bit like, I want to sort of already make it a bit more of a mess with using 2 colors. I don't know if that came out right. Probably not. I was thinking if I put 2 different colors in and alternated it, it looked like it was on purpose rather than I wasn't incapable of, you know, coloring it correctly. I think, you know, there was a thought behind it. Absolutely. I'll say that, okay? It's fine, guys. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm sure. I'm sure it's gonna turn out fine in the end. Right, I'm kind of just speeding through here. Sorry it got so dark. I think it was super dark by this time outside, and my camera was a little bit weird with adjusting. But, you know, I think you can still see, sort of. So I hope that's fine. Yeah, I have purple and violet or whatever streaks all across my cheeks and my neck now, just so you know. You probably didn't want to know, but you know, now you know. There you go. You can do with that knowledge whatever you please. You're welcome. And I'm off to the final section. Let's go. Super excited to finally get done with this. If anyone is scared here, all right, making a face. Do you see that little hair strand in the very back of my head that's kind of like sticking? I will eventually find it. Don't worry. I will not miss it. I will eventually find that little hair, but it will take me. It will take me a while. And I was watching this back and I was like, oh no, did I miss it? Did I miss it? And then I finally grabbed it. I was like, oh God, thank you. Because I wouldn't know. I cannot see the back of my head perfectly. I can't see right now if there's a little blue strand, but it looks like I got it. So, you know, I'm happy about that. But yeah, like you can see, it took me a while. By the way, this is not my first time doing this. I've done my own hair color for a long time. I will one day be able to pay a professional for it. I always go to a professional for my hair to cut it, but to color it, I don't know. I still have all these hair colors, so I might as well. And I don't expect like a professional result because, you know, to get a professional result, you have to pay a professional the right amount of professional money. But yeah. Do you hear? You can see that little strand. Do you see it sticking there? Oh, I got so scared when I saw this during the editing process. I don't recommend doing this. I think I stopped quickly after I realized what I was doing. I think I was kind of like ripping my hair out. I thought I could separate my hair with it better, but it was just not working correctly. I instead just applied more color and then went in there with my hands and thought I could like mush it around and it will eventually hit all the, you know, little strands of hair. Hopefully. Oh, this might be the time that I actually find that hair strand. Come on. There we go. Oh, there it is. Do you see it? Oh, this has been sticking there this whole time. Oh God, okay. Finally, I color it. Okay, I make sure that everything is colored, especially the back of my head. Do you see how I like separate it with my hands? I can recommend doing that. That seems to work. And then just go back with more color and just, you know, just smother it in color. Probably. Especially make sure that the like fade from your natural hair to your colored hair is properly colored, because that would look weird if it wasn't. And I'm just putting it back because now I'm gonna have to sit there for an amount of time. I think I sat there for like 30 minutes at least. I don't really know. But yeah, this is me at the very end with my colored hair. And now we're gonna wait for a bit, and then I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit how it worked out. Let's see if it worked. Oh, okay. And final result, guys. Here we go. Oh my god, that's slow-mo. Oh, it doesn't look bad, guys. I think I did an okay job. Look, yeah, it's like, you can't really tell that there's really two colors in there. Like, you can tell from like some angles. I don't know, maybe I just hit one color more than I hit the others. Not quite sure, but yeah. It looks like I got almost everything. I can see some spots. You know what? Looking at like this at the back of my head, I can see some spots. But you know what? I'm happy with it. And thank you everyone for suggesting purple as a color. And yeah, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you in my next video. Don't mind me. Like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That would be wonderful. And come on over to Twitch, watch me live. And yeah, have a wonderful Christmas time and everything. Have a lovely rest of your day, and